Привет, как дела? Добро пожаловать на мой канал. Hello and welcome back to Russian with Nastya. Today we are going to write words. We are going to do your favorite lesson to write words in columns. We will have 4 columns today with 4 questions. And we have to fill in the columns with the correct noun to answer to these questions. So the first question will be чьи, 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 чье, 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 чей, чей, and чья, чья. Okay, 4 questions. They all mean in English whose. Whose. I hope you see this. Whose. Do you see it? No. Okay, I will write it here. Whose. They all mean whose. But it depends on the noun that we are talking about, which one we will use. For example, чьи, we will use чьи when the noun is plural. Чьи носки, for example, whose socks, we will use чьи because socks is plural. Plural, noun, plural. Чье, for example, чье пальто, whose coat, we will use чье because coat is neuter in Russian. Neuter. Чей, for example, чей парень, whose boyfriend. Because boyfriend is masculine, we will use чей, it's for masculine nouns. And чья is feminine. For example, чья девушка, whose girlfriend. And of course, we will use чья because girlfriend is feminine. So plural, neuter, masculine, feminine. 4 columns we have here today. Okay. And okay. 4 columns. Here somewhere I will write the words and we will put them in the correct columns. Okay, like this. And the first word is собака. Давайте напишем собака. Собака. So, собака. Чьи, чье, чей or чья? Which question we will use? Whose dog? How to ask whose dog is this? Собака ends in a. That means that this noun is feminine. So, чья собака? Чья собака, whose dog? Чья собака, whose dog? Отлично. Дальше. Сестра. 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 Ends in a, so it's feminine as well. Чья сестра? Whose sister? Сестра. Чья сестра? Whose sister is this? Дальше. Штаны. 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 Штаны are trousers and in Russian they are plural. Штаны. So, чьи штаны? Whose trousers? We will write штаны right here. Штаны. Чьи штаны? Whose trousers? Чьи is for plural nouns. Дальше. Следующее слово. Друг. 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 So, друг. It ends in a consonant. So that means that it's masculine. Друг. And for masculine we have чей. Чей друг? Whose friend? Друг. Чей друг? Whose friend? Друг is masculine, so it's чей. Отлично. Дальше. Офис. Давайте напишем офис. Office. Where should we write the word office? Office. It ends in S. So it's S is a consonant. So it's masculine. Чей office? Whose office is this? Office. Чей office? Whose office? Чей office? Молодцы. Дальше. Следующее слово здание. Давайте напишем. Здание. Здание. Здание, a building, and it ends in ye. That means that this word is neuter because it ends in ye. So, чье we have for neuter nouns. Чье здание, whose building? Здание. Чье здание, whose building? Отлично. Дальше. Очки. Очки, eyeglasses, and in Russian they are plural. Очки. Чьи очки? Whose eyeglasses? Чьи очки? Чьи очки? Whose eyeglasses? Отлично. Дальше. Следующее слово посольство. Посольство. What is посольство? And which gender is that? Посольство. Давайте напишем посольство. Посольство. Посольство ends in O, and it is an embassy. Посольство ends in O, and all the words that end in O are neuter. So, чье посольство? Whose embassy? Чье посольство? Посольство. Чье посольство? Whose embassy? Отлично. Дальше. Ремень. Ремень is a belt. So this is tricky because when a word ends in a soft sign, it can be feminine or masculine. Ремень is masculine. Чей? Whose? Ремень. Чей ремень? Whose belt? Ремень. Чей ремень? Whose belt? Чей ремень? And ремень is masculine. Just memorize that ремень is masculine. Дальше. Галстук. Галстук is a tie. And it's masculine because it ends in a consonant. Галстук. Чей галстук? Whose tie? Галстук. Чей галстук? Whose tie? Чей галстук? Дальше. Кольцо. Кольцо is a ring. Кольцо is a ring, and because it ends in O, it is neuter. So, чье кольцо? Whose ring? Чье кольцо? Чье кольцо? Whose ring? Чье кольцо? Молодцы. Море. Море is a sea, and again, because it ends in ye, it is neuter. So, чье море? Whose sea? Море. Whose sea? Чье море? Молодцы. Дальше. Ботинки. Ботинки are boots, plural, so чьи ботинки? Чьи ботинки? Whose boots? Ботинки. Чьи ботинки? Whose boots? Молодцы. Дальше. Компания. Так, нет места у нас. Компания. Компания is a company, enterprise. Компания. компания. So it ends in я. That means that it's feminine. So чья компания? Компания. Чья компания? Whose company? Чья компания? Молодцы. Дальше. Сын. 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 Сын is a son and it ends in a consonant, so it's masculine. Also it's masculine because son is a man, right? So чей сын? Whose son? Чей сын? Whose son? Чей is for masculine and nouns. Тетя. 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 Тетя is an aunt, your mother's sister. Тетя. So of course it's feminine. And чья тетя? Whose aunt? Чья тетя? Чья тетя? Whose aunt? Чья тетя? Дальше we have дедушка. 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 Дедушка is a grandfather. So although it ends in a and it looks like feminine, because he is a man, it will be masculine. Чей дедушка? Whose grandpa? Чей дедушка? Дедушка. Чей дедушка? Whose grandpa? Дальше. Деньги. 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 Money. Деньги. Money. So of course it's plural. Чьи деньги? Whose money? Чьи деньги? Деньги. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about the soft sign. Мягкий знак. Деньги. Чьи деньги? Whose money? Чьи деньги? Отлично. История. 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 История is history or a story. History or story. История. And because it ends in я, of course it's feminine. So чья история? Whose story? История. История. Чья история? Whose story? Молодцы, отлично. Дальше. Обувь. Обувь. What is обувь? Do you know this word? Обувь. 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 Обувь is shoes. Обувь are shoes. And обувь is plural. So, no, I'm sorry. No, it's not plural. So, обувь, shoes, but in Russian, обувь is feminine. It ends in мягкий знак, so it's tricky here. It can be masculine or it can be feminine, but обувь, memorize that. Imagine a woman with a lot of shoes in her wardrobe. So, обувь is feminine. Чья обувь? Whose shoes? Обувь. Обувь is shoes in general, all kind of shoes. Обувь. Отлично. Дальше. Дети. Дети. Дети, children. And of course it's plural. It's plural. Чьи дети? Whose children? Чьи дети? Чьи дети? Whose children? Молодцы. Жена. Жена. Жена is a wife and she's a woman. So, чья жена? Whose wife? Жена. Чья жена? Whose wife? Дальше, следующее слово. Растение. Растение. Давайте напишем растение. Растение. Растение is a plant and it ends in е. That means that it's neuter. So, чье растение? Whose plant is this? Растение. Растение. Чье растение? Whose plant? Растение. Отлично. Дальше. Мороженое. 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 Мороженое is ice cream. It ends in -е, so it's neuter. Чье мороженое? Whose ice cream? Мороженое. Чье мороженое? Whose ice cream? Чье мороженое? Whose ice cream? Отлично. Еще пару слов. A few more words. So, дома. 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 What is дома? Дома is a plural for дом. So, houses. Дома. Where in which column should we write the word дома, houses? Of course, here, чьи дома, plural. Дома. Чьи дома, whose houses? Чьи дома. Молодцы, отлично. Дальше. Шоколад. 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 Chocolate. What is chocolate? Of course, it's chocolate, very similar to the English word chocolate. It ends in a consonant, so that means that it's masculine. Чей шоколад? Whose chocolate? Chocolate. Чей шоколад? Whose chocolate? Чей шоколад? Так, конфеты. 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 Candy, and it's plural. Конфеты. We have singular конфета and plural конфеты. Чьи конфеты? Whose candies? Конфеты. Конфеты. Чьи конфеты? And the last one is туфли. 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 Shoes, but those classical shoes. For men, those black or brown shoes, classical shoes. And for women, those high heel shoes. So, туфли, чьи туфли, it's plural in Russian. Туфли. 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 Чьи туфли? Whose shoes? That's all for today. Все на сегодня. Увидимся с вами завтра утром. See you tomorrow in the morning. Целую. Пока. Чмоки-чмоки.